Okay, so this is an experiment and I'm doing it live. So I'm going to do the marbling um, on leather that's usually meant for paper. So I thickened this water last night, and there's bubbles and there's thick pieces in there. So I don't know how that'll affect it. That's apparently mixing this up is a bit of a trick, and especially getting the bubbles out. So let me try a piece of paper towel. That got rid of the bubbles. Some of them created more. And the thick pieces should not be in there. Yeah, that'll probably influence the problem, and that's something I will have to figure out. But being live with this video, I'm gonna just go through with what I have at the moment. So let's see. Test this out. Okay. So this is not going to be perfect, but aha. Oh yeah, the thick pieces are influencing the pattern, and that's fine. That's fine. That might just make it more interesting. So we'll see. So far so good. This promises to be really nice. I tried earlier with a different marbling kit, and it was horrible. This floating ink that you see here just dried out right on top of the water, and spoiled the whole thing. Whoa, too much. One drop only needed. Otherwise it'll sink to the bottom. Okay. Ha. This is promising. So now I'm going to take a self-made comb and let's just see what this does. Okay, gonna fool around with the thick pieces in there. So I'm not gonna try and do a formal one. I'll just do a fun one. Thick pieces included. And see how that comes out. Yeah, I'll get rid of the thick pieces for the next one. Looks like there's more than just a trick in mixing them up. So let's see. Now the leather goes in. Ha. And let me pick it up from this side. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, even with those light pieces in there, this is not looking too bad. Wow. Okay. Ha ha ha. That is what I wanted. Okay, I'm gonna wash this guy off under the faucet, clean up that thick pieces there, and then I might do another one.